With a tolerance of 0.003 of an inch versus in-house made devices which are only as accurate as the hands and eyes crafting these treatments, thousands of companies, recruiters, HR professionals, and hiring managers. They represent you to companies to help you get hired. Less stress, more interviews.
There is no arbiter here for you, Spot.
There be pirates in these waters.
All right,
All right, whenever you're ready.
So louder. Okay. You shall not pass. Like that?
All right, take it again.
Okay, so less Patrick Stewart, more Ian McKellen. All right, got it.
We get it. How many times are you gonna say perfect? We get it, perfect. Move on.
Thanks to those who didn't believe as well. There's so much more to come, and we couldn't have done it without you either, so thank you.
Wait a second. He's thanking haters now? Where was that in the script? I don't remember reading that. I give up.
No mistakes, just happy little accidents.
Are you kidding? Don't say that. We're gonna get sued.
Why, hello everybody, and welcome back to the Mik Tek Studios podcast. This is Michael Midnight here, just kicking the feet up and relaxing, hanging out on this canoe, just on a beautiful sunny day. Look at those happy clouds up there, just happy. We're getting back into our topic here with Kyle from last week. He was getting into the nuts and bolts of what it really is to be thinking like a hiring manager and the perfect candidate with effective networking and cover letters. So as we continue on here, just like this happy little river, that's strange. Wait a minute. Wait. That's a waterfall. What?
Ladies and gentlemen, if I could have your attention, please, on behalf of the flight crew, this is Michael Midnight, your captain speaking. Let me welcome you aboard the Mik Tek Studios podcast, headed to our next episode with Aaron Stoll. We should be touching down in on around what drives you and your passions about what you love to do in local time. And that's, of course, depending on this oncoming headwind approaching, and that's assuming I decide to actually land at our destination. I've been meaning to take a vacation in Hawaii. It's just looking pretty damn good right now. Folks, we just hit our cruising altitude of 11,000 feet, and I have turned off the seatbelt light, which means you are now free to move about this intro as you need be. However, for your own safety, please fasten it when you are seated, in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence, commercial breaks, Battlezords, Godzilla, or my ex's ego.
Don't say Godzilla, we're gonna get sued.
We now return you to your in-flight entertainment. Thank you for choosing the Mik Tek Studios podcast, and you have yourself a good day.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the podcast. This is Michael Midnight. Sorry about that. I'm just trying to move all the notes around that I had from our last conversation with Sarah Burkholz in our part one of this series, Placing Talent. She had a lot of great notes about resumes, what to put, what not to have in your cover letter, and just really trying to make the best possible pitch possible as a candidate, and there's just so many good notes. So that was our part one. I'm ready for the part two. Okay, all right, here we go. Eye of the tiger. Okay.